I didn't even start recording. But anyways, I just now noticed that I started recording. So anyways, I'm getting ready for my brow appointment. So I'm gonna get ready in like 5 minutes because I have to leave at 10:55, and it is 10:30. So yeah, I really have to go, and my hair is not coming out like right. So give me a second. I'm gonna do all that and come back in like 10 minutes.
I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look right now. Fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could.
These are all of the charms I got. Yeah. This one, and this one. And then I got this one. I'm getting these. This one, and this one. And this is gonna be on there when I go to the Lotto concert. And this one, this long, this cute. And this, read this, it says, that's me. Alright, so this is my left hand. It's kind of gold, a little bit silver in there, right? This one is pink, a little bit silver, a little bit gold, mixture of everything. And then with my cheetah and my leopard print nails. Let me show you my sister. She don't have everything yet, but she's kind of like unique, not worldly Pisces, you know. So look how cute. This ain't homegrown because she got a big booty. And this is for Ace because her dog name is Ace, and you know this the Ace of Spades that be on cards, and then the heart and the rest, yeah. And we got this to match, so she got the blue and I got the black. See? Yeah. Perfect. Hey y'all, I'm back inside. What was I saying? So I'm back from the stores. I had stopped at another place, but I just want to show y'all my eyebrows. Like, these are my eyebrows. They're like so freaking perfect. Like she did her big one. But anyways, I forgot to tell y'all, I also did buy the hat because it was super cute, because like I could wear this with jeans, tops, everything. And I also brought this one, and I also brought the Capricorn necklace like I said I was gonna buy. I literally bought everything I said I was gonna buy. And I brought this, and my total was $80.65 for all this stuff. So yeah, I bought everything I said I was gonna buy. Okay, and I gotta put this on my hat wall. You see my hat wall right there? So I literally let me flip my camera. So this is my hat wall. I have all these hats right there. So I just missing one. So I'm just gonna put a little tag right here. Hopefully it's even. Right there, and I just placed the hat right there, and there we go. I'm gonna scoot over this hat a little because now it's uneven, so I'll scoot this one over like maybe here, and there we go. So now I have that as part of my hat wall. So cute, so cute, so cute, really cute. So yeah. All right, so today I'm about to get ready to go to the gym. I came on here because like now I'm frustrated because I have to fixed the side mirror on my driver's side because it fell off when I was getting my car washed, just the car wash thingy. And I love this car wash place because they always clean my car so good. But I was like, the mirror just fell off. It was broke, but this guy had fixed it. So I think it's just time for me to get a new mirror. So I just bought a new mirror off Amazon. Me and my sister are going to try to install it. If it doesn't work, someone's going to come install it for us. But it's just a simple fact of, like, I was so pissed off yesterday because it's like, damn, if it ain't one thing, it's another. Like, I feel like I was living life, you know. I was just telling my sister, like, every time I got my shit together, I got my money together, I got shit together, there's always something. Even though she was like, it's not even that big of a deal. And I'm like, no, it is a big deal because there's always something. See, my Flexi-Rides be coming out. I hate that. Anyways, back on my shit. Wait, they don't love you like I love you each way. That's it, top in my head. Okay. So now I'm getting ready for the gym. I usually just put my hair in a little clip, so let's do that.
Everything big, oh you fancy, huh? Let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.